Okay, here are our half folded in half, our flattened folded in half toilet paper rolls, taped folded in half. Now we're going to turn them into bird feet. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. You're calling yourself stupid?
Yeah.
That's not nice of yourself. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. And a back toe. So you want to do it like this. Somehow. There we go. That'll work.
Not Little Rock. That's where the niggers are.
Mom, we are filming! That is a racist comment. Let's hope nobody heard that comment. I apologize to the audience. Sincerely. Mom, no it isn't. Stop it. That is not correct.
Oh wow, they have a whole list of people that have divorced this week.
And that's interesting.
Yeah.
That's like somebody's downfall.
They saw the light.
Mom, marriage is not a bad thing.
Oh, not for me, but anybody else it is.
Oh, Mom. Now we want to tape it
And the world.
together.
What's going on in the world?
Who knows anymore?
We have
We've got a bird foot.
Bangladesh.
Now we want to make it,
In Bangladesh.
make a back toe.
My goodness.
Mom, such language.
What, hell? Get the hell out of here.
Ah! This is supposed to be a children's craft project.
It's 87 degrees in Jerusalem.
That's great for them.
Mm-hmm. But it's 22 in Moscow.
Well, that's in Russia. What do you expect? Russia's a cold climate area.
Yeah.
Ah!
No, it's gonna stop.
Would you stop with the language? It's supposed to be a children's video. Mom! These children are going to be like...
That's better.
Is this the influence we are teaching America's children?
Yeah. Coffee and cigarettes.
Mom! There we go.
Oh, what those?
It is a bird foot with a back toe and 3 front toes. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Yes.
And now I will continue the rest of this scene after I finish the second bird foot.